Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I make my homemade French fries. It is very easy and simple and you will get to enjoy it, and if you have children they will get to enjoy it too. So let's just get right into it. To begin, I've poured olive oil into the pan and I'm heating it up. I'm using a French fry seasoning. That's the secret ingredient to having good French fries. So once I've seasoned my fries, I am now putting it into the pan. I've cut the potatoes prior, so it's going to be a very quick video today. Then I'm putting it into the pan and frying it. As you can see, you can cut it whichever way you choose, but I want it a little bigger instead of having them very, very small. So because we want to make it very crispy. So now I'm cooking it and I'm going to flip it over to make sure that the other side also cooks. One secret to having very good French fries is to soak the potatoes at least 15 to 20 minutes prior to frying them. So it will give it a very better taste compared to just plain potatoes that you just take directly and put it into the pan. So as you can see, it's already cooked and it's looking very nice and crispy. It's time to take it out of the stove and let it soak into the paper towel just for the extra oil to be removed. So now it's time to serve, and I'm going to take some of it. Now you can see, if you want more saltier French fries, if you have that French seasoning, you can always sprinkle it over top of it. It's also good, depending on how much you would like to eat it, to have salt into it. I'd rather just have salt in the beginning and not add some more. So you can see with the ketchup, and it does the trick. So I hope you get to try it and let me know how you found it. Thank you for watching. If you like the content of the videos I'm making, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the bell of notification to get notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to share the video. Until next time, enjoy.